Here at Wishy Washy we have a range of high-speed washing machines with different settings that you can do a standard wash, a heavy soil wash or a non-biological wash. We have coin payment facilities, we have card payment facilities. You can select up to 4 machines at a time that you'd like to pay for. All the soap and conditioner is included in all the washing machines. Here, once you've chosen your language, you can go to washers. Please load your clothes before you start the machine. Here you have your washers 1 to 7, and they're clearly indicated on the front of each machine. So here you would choose what cycle you would like. You can choose if you'd like a heavy soil wash, which is it has a distainer included, or a non-bio option. So if we choose here, the amount's there, you press OK. Then you can choose up to 4 machines at a time. Proceed. If you'd like to have your phone number included, you put the option there. Checkout, you can add your phone number as you required, and you can go to checkout. And now I'll pay for it or not. You can input your phone number to get notified once your washing or drying cycle is finished. And then once you've paid on the system, please return to the washing machine or tumble dryer and press start for the process to begin. So here what makes us stand out is you can wash and dry in an hour. So with the high-speed washing machines that we have, it requires less time in the tumble dryers and gives you more flexibility to get on with the rest of your day. We have aircon facilities, we have charging facilities in the sofas that enables you to charge your phone while you wait. Also on the kiosk, if you don't want to wait in the store, you can add your telephone number in whilst paying, and then it will send you a SMS reminder as soon as your clothes are ready to collect. It's designed to be as convenient as possible for the customer. What customers love most is the nice clean environment that they're able to be in. It's the speed of the machines and how easy it is to use. The biggest feedback we get is the card facility. Being able to pay by card enables people to not carry coins or have to worry about change. It's much easier for them. Also the detergent, having the detergent and the conditioner included in the cost saves you having to carry multiple items just to wash your laundry.